Tired of scrolling through endless conversations to find one important chat? Today I'll show you how to pin chats in ChatGPT and keep your important conversations at the top. Welcome to Preyo Phonie, where you learn simple AI tricks and powerful tech tips in minutes. Steps. Step 1. Update the app. First, make sure your ChatGPT app is updated to the latest version. New features like chat pinning only appear after installing the newest update. Step 2. Open the menu Open ChatGPT and tap the menu icon in the top left corner. This will open the sidebar where all your previous chats appear. Step 3. Find the chat, scroll through your chat history to locate the conversation you want to pin. Press and hold the chat name until a small options menu appears. Step 4. Pin the chat. From the pop-up menu, tap the pin option. Your selected chat will instantly move to the top of the chat list. If this tip helped you, like the video and subscribe to Preyo Phonie for more quick AI tutorials and smart tech tricks. Step 5. Pin up to 3 chats. You can keep up to 3 chats pinned at the same time. This helps you quickly access your most important conversations. Step 6. Rename pinned chats. If you want, you can also rename your pinned chats. This makes it easier to identify different conversations or projects. And that's how you can pin chats in ChatGPT for faster access. It's a small feature, but it makes organizing your AI conversations much easier and more productive. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next Preyo Phonie tech tutorial.